Hi, today I will show you how to use our cavnesshr platform. First, as an employer, you can click Login first to create a new account here. Click Company Representative. Enter company name, first name, last name, email, and password here. After you click Submit, a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Click this link. You will be redirected in the login page. Enter your email and password and click Login. Here, you can click Next, and you will need about 30 to 1 hour to complete a questionnaire. All of them are company-specific questions. After that, you will have your employee handbook and HR policies generated automatically. Here, I will just finish several questions. You can take your time to finish off them and click Generate. Okay, now it will be redirected to the Documents page. Here you can check each documents. First, let's see Employee Handbook. You can see here we have the test company name I just filled out. So the answers is already filled here, such as the CEO here. So you don't have to worry about the content of the employee handbook. Let's check the HR policies, the same. We already have the filled out answers. The next step for you is to sign the employee handbook and HR policies. But the first time you click them, you will be redirected to create your own signature. So let's draw your signature here and click Save. Now go back to Document Library. Click Sign again. Now Employee Handbook signed successfully. Let's check. Here you can see the signature and date and the other informations all here. Okay, now the next step is to sign the HR policies. Okay, now all 20 HR policies are signed one time. Let's check. You can see the signature are included. Okay. After signing your employee handbook and HR policies, you may consider come to employment management to create a new hire. Maybe you have some candidate you want to offer an offer letter. So you can create a new employee here by enter the information. Now, a new candidate created. You can click their avatar here to enter their own page. First, you may want to create offer letter. You can answer all the questions here, just like what we did in the employee handbook part. Just take your time to answer all those questions and click generate. And then let's click sign the offer letter to include your own signature. Let's check the offer letter. You can see the answers are here and also your signature. So at this moment, you can click remind to send your candidate an email by remind them to check the offer letter. If they decide to accept it, they will do it in the system. Okay, imagine we are the new candidate. Right now, we received an email and we can come to this website to register a new account. We will click login first and click employee here to register. A verification email will be sent to them. Click the link, we will be in login page again. Okay, now we entering into this page. You can change your phone number and address here. Also the emergency contact. Let's see. So it will be saved. Okay, you can take your time to enter all those information. And then as a new candidate, let's go to document library first. You can check the offer letter first and then decide if you want to accept it or not. If yes, just click sign. But because it's the first time the new candidate entering into our system, they will need to create the signature first. Click save and go back. Click sign again. Now let's check offer letter. You can see their signature here, also here. So as an employer, you can check this offer letter in your system. We will go back later. But right now, let's continue all the onboarding steps as a new candidate, or we can say new hire. First, employee handbook is already generated and signed by the employer. The new hire can check all of them and see the company representative signature and decide to sign. Okay, now let's check. Sometimes it will take a a few seconds to view all the signature from the new hire. Let's refresh and check again. Okay. Here you can see the new hire's signature. Okay. The same steps for the 20 HR policies. You can see we've automatically signed all the 20 HR policies. Of course, before you sign, as a new hire, you can check them one by one. Here, all the signatures are included. Okay. Let's continue the next step, which is to upload the I-9 documents and all the identification documents. First, you may need to check the I-9 instructions. Here, it clearly shows how you can fill out the I-9 part and what can be included in the list A document and the list B, list C documents. Okay. Okay, first, when you click I-9 part, you can download this I-9 document in your own computer. And then you can fill it out. After you fill out it, you can upload the filled out part. Let's see, for example, we want to upload this one because we already filled out. Click upload. Then this time when you click I-9, you can see the upload version. The same for the other part. The rule here is you can either upload list A, only one document, or you should upload both list B and list C. So here, I choose to only upload list A. Remember, in I-9 instructions, you can check what documents can be included in list A, list B, and list C. Okay, now actually, because I already uploaded I-9 and the list A, I already finished all the onboarding steps as a new hire. Let's sign out and log in again as an employer. Okay, now let's first check the offer letter. You can see the new hire already signed it then. The same for the employee handbook. Okay, also all the HR policies. Now let's check I-9. You can see they already filled out it and list A. Okay, if you think they filled out I-9 and list A, well, then you can verify by click this button. So I-9 verified and then list A verified. Right now, the employee on board successfully. Let's go back here. You can see this new hire comes here. It's onboarded. If you have another new hire, you can go the same steps just as we did. Okay, this is how you can use our platform to help your human resources staff. I believe it's very easy and time saving. I hope you enjoy it.